invite them to join the call, and then Mr. Rajesh, I think he'll be joining and he'll be presenting. He's the director of the 21st Century Polymer. Welcome, sir, and start your presentation. Thank you. Mr. Rajesh Pawar, are you there? Yeah,
Hi,
he's there.
good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, pretty much.
Thank you, Dr. Srinivas. Thank you, Malini. Thank you, everyone. And thanks for giving me the opportunity to be here. It's wonderful to be with so many innovators, young and experienced. Let me explain something about what we are doing. So, next slide, please. Can we move to first slide, please? Yeah, thank you so much. So, we have recycling units in Delhi, Goa, and Haryana. Other than that, we have multi-recovery facilities in 3 cities of Goa, Rajasthan, and with Mathura Vrindavan Municipal Corporations. Mathura Vrindavan Municipal Corporation and other corporations have given us land for multi-recovery facility.
Rajesh, 1 minute, please. Some of the participants are not able to hear. Request you to be a little louder.
Okay. Is it better?
Yes, much better. Thanks.
Okay, thank you so much. So we have recycling units in Delhi, Goa, and Haryana. Other than that, we have multi-recovery facilities in 3 cities of Goa, Rajasthan, and with Mathura Vrindavan Municipal Corporation. With municipal corporations, we get land for multi-recovery facility, come recycling. That is, I guess, the best sustainable model where we can recycle all the materials coming out from multi-recovery facilities. Our company is also member of All India Plastic Manufacturer Association and Plex Councils. Next slide, please. Yeah, thank you. So what is our innovation? This is a we have heard from other innovators, very wonderful innovations they have done. But what we are trying to do is, we understand that plastics is a limited natural resource. So we want to use as a plastic again. We are converting multi-layer packaging into granules with some additives and then converting them into ACP sheets, raw material for ACP sheets. We have added fire retardant additives with it, and the compound is absolutely fire retardant compound for aluminum composite panels. You can use 60% of the multi-layer packaging. We have a technology where we separate density. We do some density separation for separating 60% of the material which can be recycled into pallets, other 40% converted into furniture via extrusion of lumbers and all. Next slide, please. We have developed some machines for multi-recovery facilities. Like there is already an invention, polymer can be separated by NIRS technology, but these machines developed abroad are of very big high volume. You need a bigger quantity to separate that. But for decentralized stations, we have developed smaller machines on the same technology NIRS, where we are separating all kinds of polymers like PP, HDP, LDP, ABS, polystyrene types of plastics, which can be separated on this NIRS technology automatic AI-based machine. Other than that, we have developed a heat compression sheet, again a smaller machine where you can easily compress one sheet per shot. That is a heat compression technology. You can use multi-layer packaging, which I said the 40% of the material left after compounding into the ACP sheet, that can be turned into sheets with heat compression. That 40 material can also be extruded into lumbers that can be turned into furniture. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is furniture I'm talking about. These are made up of these are extruded ones, and then these extruded lumbers are converted into so many types of furniture, like you can make chairs, tables, or pallets. These pallets have been exported to one country. They are welcoming the recycled pallets out of it. Next slide, Malini, please. So this is what my message is. All thermoplastics are recyclable and sustainable. Point is, we can easily recycle multi-layer packaging. Yes, there are some innovations of pyrolysis and many other things, but my idea is to convert plastics back into plastics. This is limited in resource, so we have to use plastic as plastics. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rajesh. Any quick observations from the chat box, Dr. Malini?
No, nothing from the chat box right now.
Yeah. So just if there are any comments, please you can ask him to respond to the chat box later. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Now I invite. Yes, please, sir.
One quick point, sir. Just one quick point.
Yeah.
हमारा क्या कहना है कि अगर हम लोग म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस को डील कर रहे हैं, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस की वेस्ट को डील कर रहे हैं, most of the plastic is already recyclable. Polypropylene, HDP, LDP. That's what we are doing for the last 30 years. That can be easily recyclable. So here we are discussing about innovation about multi-layer packaging. So if we are doing it at a one place, recyclable and non-recyclable, it is a sustainable model. Thank you, sir.